Hi guys, this is an E Teaches You Math. My name is Matthew. I teach math. I am an E. I'm not a math teacher, I'm just a student. I'm starting this as kind of like a side project because when I was in high school, I had a lot of trouble with math. I'm not a teacher or anything, I'm just a normal student. Now I'm in the university, so I just wanted to pass on some little tips on how to do these things a little bit easier. I'm not going to show you any revolutionary stuff or anything. Just, kind of walk you through how these are done by the book, because that's what's most important. So, I just wanted to give some help to people out there, E's or, maybe otherwise, who had some trouble or, just need some help on their homework. So, we're going to start out with a very simple problem like this. Some people would call this a quadratic, use the quadratic equation for this. I actually prefer using the triangle method. That's the easiest method for me. We have, this is the format here. What is the value of x? 26 6x squared plus 5x minus 45 equals 0. So we're going to use the triangle method on this, and the triangle method is based on geometry theory. And geometry theory, I'm pretty sure all of you have kind of learned the basics of geometry theory in elementary school, or maybe even earlier now. I don't know. But just, triangles, circles, stuff like that. So we're gonna, as you remember, the triangle, the three steps of triangle theory are slice, slice, distill. So all you're going to need for this is a calculator with the distill function on it. And we're going to just perform the first slice. So actually, we got to prepare it first. So plus 45 plus 45. So we get 26x squared plus 5x equals 45. This is the best way to start. And then you're going to do the first slice right here. So that gets you 26x squared plus 5 equals x times 45. And then the second slice, got to make the triangle. The second slice is actually a division right here. So we can divide this by x. So then we get, I'm actually going to erase this bit. So then we get 26x plus 5 equals x times 45 over x. Or just, yeah. So, and then we're going to, now we're going to distill it. So if you, just to really quick, I know that probably most of you know this, but everybody just wants the basics. Just really quick go over the basics of geometry theory again. The geometry theory is just a simple concept that everything in the universe, that is a horrible triangle. I don't know what I was thinking there. Is just the concept that everything in the universe, every idea in academia can be simplified down into shapes. Everything in biology is circular, everything in math is triangular, all that jazz. And, if you want me to do a video going over the basics of, of geometry and distillation in cool, funky colors like we have here. I love this rainbow pen. It goes great for illustrating the cosmic truths. If you want me to go over geometry theory in more detail, because you just never really got it, never really understood it, that's totally fine. That's what these videos are here for. So just comment down below, or just let me know somehow, and I'll start doing some more basic stuff if that's really what you guys need, which is totally all right. Don't have to feel ashamed. But so now we're going to distill. So now we have this, and the three, because we need the three primal elements of this equation here, because it is a triangle. It has 3 points. So we have the shape up here, the content, as you all know, and the answer, which is what you want. If you have 2 of these, you can always find the third through this track. So the shape of it is fairly simple. It's this plus this equals kind of a round one. You can see here behind, there's lots of stuff crowding the screen. I'm sorry. I'll work on my placement in other videos. But you can see it behind the screen. This is kind of the effect. Oh, whoops. Got that wrong. It's not right. I meant to draw it like the other way around, like this. Yeah, and then the content is 26x plus 5 equals x for 5 over x. I should go back to gray. So, so now you're just going to use the distill function on your calculator. So click the point up here. Let me do that. And then the point down here on the triangle, the bottom right, and then type in the shape, the long oval, the sphere, and the tall oval, and then this string of numbers when it prompts you for content. Sorry, I don't have an on-screen calculator. I should work on that. But you know, if I narrated, it should work fine. And now that you've held that in, press enter and get your answer, which is, at long last, -5 minus square root of 4705 over 52. And because, you know, there are multiple values, your calculator should then scroll down and say that this is actually a plus or minus. So guys, here's the answer. I think we should all kind of be on point with how I got this. But if you need a video going over the basics of triangle method or the basics of geometry theory, let me know. I think this should be pretty explanatory, but if it's not, please do criticize me in all ways. I accept all constructive criticism. I'm just trying to help some people out. So thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions about your homework or anything at all, just comment down below with some advice or some more questions for me, and do be nice to each other in the comments. If you see somebody with a question, try to help answer them. I know there's probably not a lot of you at this point, but still. So thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely try to get back to you with more of these soon. Okay, see you later.